Hello guys and welcome back. In this lecture we're going to be learning about the shape builder tool in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to start by creating a new document. I'm going to choose RGB and create. Now what is the shape builder tool and what does it do? This is the shape builder tool here. Okay, this is the shape builder tool, and what it does is it helps us create shapes. Okay, so let me demonstrate what I mean. Apart from creating shapes, we can actually select colors with the shape builder tool also. So apart from helping us in creating shapes, it can also help us in selecting colors. So let me just add another shape here, another one here. This one will give it this color, this one will give it this color. Perfect. So let's use the shape builder tool now. When I select all of them and I select the shape builder tool, which is this tool, I am now able to select this shape and add it with this one, and now you can see what we now have, right? Select this one, add it with this one, now you can see what we now have. So let me just undo, so that we have the original. So I can, that's without holding anything, just clicking on my mouse where you see this plus icon on the mouse cursor. So if you see that, all you need to do is to click and drag and drag and drag and drag and drag to add all the shapes together. So let me undo. And one other thing we can do is hold down Alt, okay, or Option on the Mac. So if you hold down Alt, you can actually, instead of adding, you can actually subtract. So if I click here, you can see that I've subtracted this from the selection. So now here is an empty space, that's why it's white, right? So when I bring it here, we can see that it's empty. Okay, so let me just undo and hold down Alt. So we can use, sorry, not hold down Alt yet, select it first before holding down Alt. So we can use this to kind of cut like this. Now we can see that we've cut that out. We can cut this like this, cut that out, we can cut this like this. Now you can see that we've used the shape builder tool to build this custom shape from the shapes we had initially. Okay, let me just undo. Yeah, so that's basically what we use the shape builder tool to do. So we can add shapes together once more. Let me do that once more. And add shapes together like this, or we can subtract shapes from each other. Okay, so that's what we use the shape builder tool for. We can do this. Okay, just depending on what you want to do. So it's not only shapes, we can even use paths. So it must not be a complete shape. So let's assume this is the path we want. We want to remove the stroke, or rather the fill color, and also yeah, we want to remove the fill color and then have this like this. Now we want to then select them and then go to the shape builder tool. Now we can see that when we do this, you can see that we've added them like this, and we can even use Alt maybe to delete the whole outline remaining. Now we can see that we've been able to cut the shape along this path. Okay, perfect. Now apart from cutting or building shapes, we can actually use the shape builder tool to add colors also. So when we select everything, then come to the shape builder tool, okay, we can then come and select a color. So let's say I select this color now. Select this color, you can just come and click here and it's going to add the color. Select this one, then come and click here and it's going to add the color. Select this one, come and click here, it's going to add the color. Come to my what do we call it, my swatches, and then come and add this one. Select this guy, add this one, then select this one, add this one. Okay, you can see how I am kind of randomly choosing colors. Okay, select this one, add this one, and yeah, so you can see what I have now been able to achieve using the shape builder tool. I've been able to now kind of add colors. Okay, so there are different colors added here. Now while I am able to do this, now I'll be able to kind of cut or remove out separate individuals like this. So these colors, I'm going to be able to remove them like this, one after the other. That's after adding the colors to the different intersections. Okay, so basically that's what we use the shape builder tool for, and that'll be it for this video. In the next video we're going to learn something else. Okay, so see you guys in the next one. Bye bye. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.